हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू एडुवेक्टर। एंड इस वीडियो के थ्रू हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं क्लास 10th के साइंस के सिलेबस को। सो दिस वीडियो इज़ गोइंग टू बी स्पेशली फॉर दोज स्टूडेंट जो क्लास 9 से 10th में जा रहे हैं। इस सेशन में जो नया सेशन शुरू हो रहा है 2022 एंड 23 में। सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू हैव इन साइंस, वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस थ्रू दिस वीडियो and we are going to make a 1-year plan so that we can achieve our goal and we can get maximum number in science in board examination. So if we'll talk about the section of physics, the first chapter is going to be electricity, and the chapter is going to be followed by the second chapter, that is known as magnetic effects of electric current. Then the third chapter is sources of energy, and in fourth chapter we are going to discuss about the optics, and the chapter name is light. The light is further get divided in two parts, that is reflection of light and refraction of light. और उसी से related जो fifth chapter हमारा होने वाला है, that is going to be the human eye and the colorful world. So this unit I would say it will be divided in three parts. These two chapter will be one unit, these two chapter will be one unit, and this will be sources of energy separate. This is quite separate to from these two chapter, these four chapters. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पढ़ने के बाद आपका नेक्स्ट चैप्टर मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट होने वाला है। लाइट पढ़ने के बाद नेक्स्ट चैप्टर यू आर गोइंग टू हैव द ह्यूमन आई एंड द कलरफुल वर्ल्ड। सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी आप कहीं भी बीच में एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं। नाउ कमिंग टूवर्ड्स द टॉपिक्स, the chapters of chemistry, I would say the first chapter will be the basic of chemistry, I would say, that is chemical reactions and equation. Chemical reaction and equation को यदि और अच्छे से आपको strengthen करना है तो आपको जो previous class के basics उसको थोड़ा सा brush up करना पड़ेगा। उसके लिए मैंने अपने चैनल पे एक वीडियो डाला है, how to write a chemical formula of a compound. So just watch that video and try to brush up your concept, and then start with this chapter. You will find yourself in more comfortable position. Now coming toward the second chapter, this chapter has already been taught in your previous classes, acids, bases and salts. तो ये दो तो आप easily कर सकते हैं। Now coming toward the third chapter, that is carbon and its compounds. Quite new chapter. यहाँ पे आप लोग कार्बन और उससे बने different types of compounds के बारे में study करेंगे। Then the fourth chapter, metals and non-metals. A short introduction has already been given to you in the previous classes. Now the fifth chapter, a quite new chapter I would say, periodic classification of elements. So periodic classification of elements कैसे करेंगे? Metals, non-metals and metalloids को हम arrange करेंगे according to their properties in periodic tables, and we'll see the evolution of the periodic tables over the years कि periodic table कैसे evolve होके जो modern periodic table बना है, about the history of that we are going to discuss in this fifth chapter. Now coming towards our third section, that is biology, there will be 6 chapters. So we'll start with the life processes. Second chapter will be control and coordination. The third chapter, how do organisms reproduce. Fourth chapter will be heredity and evolution. The fifth chapter, our environment. And last but not least, the sixth chapter will be management of natural resources. So total number of questions from chapter from the physics, you are going to have 5 chapter from chemistry and 6 chapter from biology. So in science you are going to have total number of 16 chapters. So 16 chapters को complete करने के लिए आपके पास अभी से start करें तो 1 year time है. So how you are going to plan? First of all, make a separate copy of all these 3 portions. Like physics की एक copy होनी चाहिए, chemistry की और biology की. Physics के copy के first page पे what you are going to do after writing your names, you are going to enlist all these 5 chapters on the top. पहले क्या करेंगे? पांचों chapters का नाम अच्छे से लिख लेंगे। Then I will start with the first chapter electricity, और उसके सब contents को लिखेंगे उसमें, और हम अपना एक बहुत ही अच्छा और concise notes लिखना शुरू करेंगे। After writing the notes, the first thing you have to do, solve the NCERT questions, exercise questions, or you can refer reference books as well. The point is try to solve as much as questions you can. तो वो कहीं से आप गैदर करो और उसको एक क्वेश्चन बैंक की तरह बना लो, and after that write a short notes for every chapter so that you can revise at during your एग्जामिनेशन और एग्जाम के थोड़ा सा पहले रिवीजन करके उसको जाया जा सकता है. नाउ सेम strategy you can follow in chemistry and biology. So every chapter notes, then question answer, then followed by a short notes. Okay, so thank you so much, and we'll try to bring a detailed video of every chapters over the time. So do post your requirements and queries in chat comment box. I would welcome your comments, and accordingly I will anticipate and try to make useful video for you. Okay, thank you so much. Best of luck for your new session.